Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast, Napoleon Macro. I think I found something in the Tilray chart that is going to blow your mind. Get ready for some substantial discounts in the market of Tilray. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we explore price action only. There's actually 4 parts to this pattern. I think you're going to love it, guys. So let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? So today's August the 4th, 2021, and the previous close of Tilray is going to be $13.96. Slightly negative close, 2% for the day. Okay, Tilray is TLRY if you need the instrument there. Hopefully you guys are doing well out there, okay? All right, so here's what I found, guys. We are invested in this, by the way, but yeah, discounts are coming. Here it is, potentially. All right, so the pattern in parentheses there, or quotations rather. So the first thing, we're actually going to start from 4 and then go down, work our way down to number 1. And what we're doing here is very simple. These are the monthly candles, and we're comparing what happened back in 2019, kind of this 4-part setup here, this little area here. What could be taking place right now in the market over present day at about 2021. So let's start on the first example to see if we're actually comparing apples to apples, right? Okay, so the first thing is first. Let's actually move this over here. All right, so the first thing is we're looking for 3 monthly candles to move down, and I think I found that here on these 3 monthly candles right here, to move down in between October 2019 and December 2019. So a check mark good for number 4. So we count down to the number 3. Third thing we need is just a test of this red line right here. And if you notice this candle here, this monthly candle, you'll notice on the very next month after, of course, we just measured the 3 monthly candles to move down. We're measuring this candle right here. The only thing that we need is, again, is a test of that red line, which is at $22.61. That's not a random level. Hopefully we're leaving links to videos. We've had that $22.61 level on the chart for some time. We're looking for a rejection at that $22.61, and that did happen in the month of January 2020. Okay, so number 2 is we're looking for the 1538 monthly close below. Okay, so let's see. So the very next month, we're looking at a close below, basically below that blue line. So if we align that there, I think it's pretty clear to see that on the month of February 2020, the monthly candle closed below that blue line. It could be better seen here on this white circle. We just got to close below that blue line. And the fourth thing, last but not least, is the seek financial support. Just basically means it's going to move down, and we need to figure out where the buyers are going to step in. So of course that would be identified as this very large red candle here on the month of March 2020, where that vicious move came and pushed the price to the downside. Okay, so those are the 4 things that we're looking for. So let's go on over here to present day. Hopefully we're all clear, guys. 4 through 1, 3 candles. Okay, 3 monthly candles. We're looking for a test, number 3. We're looking for a close below for number 2, close below the blue line. And of course that big red candle came in to push the price to the downside. Now let's see if we are comparing apples to apples and go on over to present day to see what we have. So the first thing is first is we're looking for 3 monthly candles to move down, and I think we got that right about here. That is going to be March 2021 over to May 2021. All right, check mark for number 4. Next thing is we need a rejection at the $22.61. I think we have identified that as well, and we're going to put a yellow rectangular box here, or the yellow rectangular area here. Right there, guys, we got a rejection at the $22.61. Same thing, number 3. Okay, so far so good, comparing apples to apples, I think. And also the number 2 is we're going to need a close below that blue line there. So number 2 here on the month of July 2021, we got a nice close. Also can be seen on that white circle. Nice close below that blue line. And yeah, guys, this right here, number 2. And of course, number 1 still has not come to fruition. This is not guaranteed it will actually play out, although it looks scarily similar, right? This is not a video insinuating it's time to sell your Tilray shares there. But if the market does move down, it's really simple what we do. Please leave in the comment section what we go over: support, resistance, and patterns. But in this case, the only thing that we're going to revert back to is the previous level of support, which can be identified right there at about $9.90. So if we do get a move to the downside where there's going to be a vicious move or just a soft landing to the downside, one way or the other, the previous level of resistance is going to be at about $9.90. And that is the only level that, well, I guess just two levels, because if the market moves down, as we just pointed out, clear as crystal, the market may seek number one, seek that financial support, which I'm not sure where it's going to be. I think this is pretty interesting setup that has played out in the past. The two levels that we'll leave you guys out with, let's just say that this month the market is having trouble breaking back above the blue line, which is at 1538. If you see any price fluctuations fighting with that level, trying to push higher, but unfortunately not able to get above that level, yeah, it has to seek financial support, guys, an alternative level, okay? So just understand, if the market is moving down, no need to lose your shirt there. Just understand it is seeking, pardon me there, an alternative level of financial support, all right? Providing better discounts, I guess, for you there, right? But of course, do your research on this company. I don't know. It's a weed company, I'm pretty sure, right? So that will end the video, okay, guys? This is a pretty awesome, I personally think this is very similar. I mean, the similarities are kind of scary, actually. So let's see how it plays out. Let's see how this not ages, guys. I'm not making a prediction. I'm just showing you what has a potential to take place, because this has happened before, okay? Human behavior never changes. All right? So that's the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Let me know in the comment section if was this a pretty interesting or similar setup to what took place in the Tilray market. And also, if you're new, before you go, we cover the alternative markets if you're into Bitcoin and altcoins. So kind of subscribe to the bell, and we'll send you that information when it is available. All right? So thank you for your time, guys. Remember, always keep that positive energy. Be sure to take care of yourselves. Always be kind, of course. We'll talk soon. Execute your strategies, most important, one of the most important. And bye for now.